Hello everyone, good morning. Liliana from Vanilla and Canela here. Welcome back to my channel. So for you, today is Wednesday, which means cleaning and or organizing. So it's more on the organizing side of things today. There's a couple of drawers in my kitchen as well as one of the cupboards that needs some serious rearranging. If you are new to my channel and you don't know this, we moved into this house last August, so we have now been here quite a few months, and things that I thought would work are not working, so I want to rearrange and I'm going to bring you guys along. So in my kitchen I have this area which is like the coffee area, and then here I have my junk drawer. This I'm going to move over to there, and in there, this is like my utility room, and I'm going to move these in there into that drawer, and I'm going to sort this out. This is looking pretty messy, so these are going to be like my junk drawers. Okay, and I also want to sort out this mess in here. It's just not working the way I want it to, so I'm going to rejig it and I'm going to show you guys. I actually have two of these Joseph drawer organizers. This is the other one, and I'm thinking that I might use this one for the junk drawer and use this one for my utensils. So I'm going to swap that around. Okay, so I think I'm done. Let me show you how it all turned out. Let me know in the comments what you think of it. So this is one of the junk drawers. There's still some space there. This little tray lifts. So it's just got these bits in, And then next to it, I had a really good reorganize kind of thing. I have all my string here, like little baggies for treats, like, you know, cupcakes and things like that. My stamp, if you haven't seen that, this says handmade with love by Liliana. Paul gifted that to me a few years back. All my labels are in here, all different types, like chalk and little gift tags, all of that in there. My chalk pens and a little thing of chalks. I put these here because they didn't fit in there, and then at the back, let me show you. I'm going to take this one out so I can. This has all like canning related stuff, you know, like the rings and little covers and all that kind of stuff. And I've put it right at the back because I don't use it very often. This is a label maker thing for, you know, like Alex's labels, clothes labels for school. I just popped it in there. And then at the back there, I just have bits and bobs that I don't use very often, but I don't want to get rid of. So I've just popped them in there. Again, if I need to access them, they're still there. So I'm really happy with how these turned out. And then this other one, I'm also really happy. I got rid of a load of stuff, and this is the things that I use most of the time. So there you go. Nice and easy to access. This is the stuff that I'm going to donate. This is like magnet, don't really use. This is a, what do you call it? It's for you to put your mug on, you know, coaster, that's it. But like, it came with the mug, and the mug has been gone for years. I'm never really going to use these. I have these from Will and Kate's wedding. That was like, I don't know, 10 years ago or something. So I've just put a little clip on, and I'm going to donate them. Don't really ever use that. I buy my nuts already peeled. I'm also going to get rid of this mug. It comes with a cape. It is very cute, but it's not that. One, I don't actually like the mug. You guys, this is more my speed, as you know. And yeah, you can't really use it. Oh, yeah, it's going. And then I'm going to donate some of these. This one says, let me show you, Home Sweet Home. I've had this for years. It's from Laura Ashley, but it's not really me anymore, so it's going. This Ocado gave me this one. Yeah, I don't want that. My mum gave me this one. Don't really want that. And I'm also going to get rid of this Harrods one. It's really cute, but it doesn't go with anything anymore, so it's going. So this is how the drawer is looking now. It looks really empty. I have loads and loads of different ones that are in the wash. I'm going to wash them later on today. So here I've put the ones that I don't actually use to dry. These are more, I use them on there, you know, more decoration. They don't dry very well. And then I've got some ones that my mum made me. And at the back there, I've put the blue and white ones. I picked those up from IKEA, and I really, really love the way they look, but there's nothing blue in my kitchen. I want to keep them because I'm still debating whether or not to make cushion covers out of them. And then here I have my drying cloths, if you wish. So I wanted to show you as well, this is all the rubbish. I'm not gonna donate this, and got some receipts and some labels that I used on both sides, paper, a knife. Might have to dispose that differently. I don't really use it anymore. So yeah, just bits of rubbish. Now I'm going to turn my attention to this cupboard. I'm going to pull everything out, clean all the shelves, and then start reorganizing. Okay, everything is out, and I've wiped down all the shelves. And here's all the stuff. I'm going to go through all the different bits and bobs. There's my bread bin, and I'm going to make it all fit nicely in a better way. done. I'm so much happier with how it looks now. I've added one basket there and got rid of a load of stuff. So right at the top we have meds and vitamins. I mean, there's not a lot inside. These are like paracetamol, that kind of stuff. That was actually my junk drawer and I moved it up here. There's some Piriton. There was another bottle which is going upstairs. Alex's vitamins and some Calpol. And that's it. There was a lot of stuff out of date. Then got like hot choc and other drinks. I've got some green tea there. I bought this recently. It's frappe. It looks really good. There's straws and hot chocolate. So that's okay. We don't access that every single day. And then just there, which I'm very happy about, is my milk frother and accessories. And basically this thing does my head in. When it's standing on here, it just gets in the way. So I'll just be able to pull this out and use it and put it back. And then I just have ground coffee there, decaf and non-decaf. Then here I have my tea, sugar and instant coffee. I don't really drink that, Paul does. Then right at the back there, there's some sweets. There's my little tea bag holder. We don't drink a lot of tea, so it's mainly for guests. There's our treats, you know, chocolates and bits like that. And this is Alex's, so they just stay there. And then in the bottom shelf, I've got some biscuits in here. This is just some like sugar crystals. I won't buy this again. I bought it because I had never tried, but I don't think much of it. So anyway, once it's done, I won't replace it. This is the sweeteners, and I've got some cinnamon there. And then right here, I have spreads. There you go, that's what it looks like. My granola is in there, and then the bread. I got rid of some expired vitamins and things like that. I will put these in a bag, and then next time I go to my doctor's, I will take them to them. I would recommend you guys do that and not put them straight in the bin, because these tend to get in the water, which then messes up the fish, and we have done enough of that. So anyway, this is my tea caddy, which I never use. This tea has been here, I don't know, I mean, Barry's tea, I'm sure I got that in Northern Ireland. I haven't lived in Northern Ireland for like 5 years. So I am going to get rid of this. But instead of chucking it, I'm going to give this to Paul. And Paul will open all these tea bags and then pour them into pot plants. We do the same with ground coffee, and it really helps the plants. So, and then I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this caddy, but I might use it for something else. There was this, I don't know where this came from. We don't use this, but it expires this month, so it's going. Then there's an assortment of packaging that I'm going to sort through.